Hi there, I'm Andrew Coburn, and today I'm thrilled to share with you my capstone project, a fusion of two passions close to my heart. From a young age, I've been captivated by the mysteries of the stars and our solar system, wondering about what each planet and their moons, the secrets they hold, as well as having a very deep fascination for computers, their inner workings, potential improvements, and the always ever question, what does this button do? Now, this project is the exciting combination of both of these passions. A quick history about me. I have proudly served in the United States Air Force as an air traffic controller. After that, I have worked in the trucking industry, but recently I had to take a break to help support my family. During that hiatus and downtime, I used that time as to being a self-starter, getting into a hobby of mine of coding, and I taught myself JavaScript and the basics of Python. The more I coded, the more I learned, the more I realized I love programming and I love the computer systems. And they weren't just hobbies, but they were career goals that I want to have. Encouraged by my wife, I leveraged the vet tech benefit I have to enroll in a coding bootcamp. After some research, I've stumbled upon Savvy Coders and completed their intensive 12-week full-stack web developer program. And beyond honing my skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and an API setup, the bootcamp also instilled into me agile methodologies, which, some of them are fostering teamwork, problem solving, which are very crucial aspects of this very dynamic field. But now let's talk about why we're all here. I'm passionate about coding in space. I crafted this website that not only provides information on upcoming space missions, but also injects an element of fun. Now, with that, my initial wireframe served as my starting guide here. What that was is it would give me an idea of how I want this page to look, and then go from there. Now, my color palettes were blues and yellows and kind of whites, just to kind of keep it simple. Kind of space gives it that dark color. I decided to go much darker. The goal of the site was to consolidate information from a variety of different websites that have different launch schedules or different things that are coming up, and put it into one single accessible place or page, giving the user a chance to contribute as well, and feel a part of a community. Quick interesting fact here is the current location of the International Space Station. This is an API which I have used, and it's a free, API provided by the people that run the International Space Station. So that is a wonderful, cool little interesting fact there. But something I'm extremely proud of is this page here. Now, with this page, I built my own API here that would take the information that the user puts in, the name of the mission, their name, any plans they wanted to go to, and then the type of mission they want to put in. Once they hit submit, that information goes off into a server that's hosted by MongoDB, and then it prints back your information here with your name, the planets you wanted to go, the name of the mission, and the type of mission. Now, the reason I'm proud of this is because when I was building this site and building that page, I kept getting stuck, kept getting errors, and it was very frustrating. So I took a step back and took from experiences I've learned throughout life and broke the problem down and started figuring out for what I can do to make it better. Now, through an extensive trial and error, and breaking the code up in parts and trying it, breaking it in parts and trying it, I was able to figure out that the very simple problem in this was I wasn't putting this information right here in the correct format. And what it was doing is it would just send information off and it wasn't pulling it back down like it should. So that after figuring that out, that simple piece of coding, it was getting it to work was a huge relief. It made me feel amazing. Now, another little interesting thing here is that all of this is completely new to me. I've never really worked into APIs or anything along those lines. And it was great to kind of figure that out within the 12-week program. I know there's a whole bunch more to learn, but I'm very excited about the future. And with the future of this page, what I wanted to do here in the future is to have like a live updated feed of, from missions from NASA that will have like updated plans here, current missions, planned missions. Same thing with all the other planets, but what it would do is just update in real time based on SpaceX, ESA, European Space Agency, NASA, all those different agencies, and then allowing the user to have this one single page instead of trying to jump between a variety of different pages here. And then always at the end here, people can leave their name, email address, any comments, questions, concerns, all that fun stuff there. But with this project, I'm extremely proud of the work I put into it and the work I've learned to make it be better, and as well as just overall, learning different things in here. Having an AI help me generate the logo, telling it simply the colors I want to put in, as well as the simple design, and it helped tremendously. So it's a very exciting project for me, and I'm very, very thrilled on what the future can hold for it. Thank you.